Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this plus size inside the dressing room at Burlington. Starting off with this black top with flowers. I didn't like it so much on the hanger, but I was like, let me just try it on. It might look different, and surprise, surprise, it definitely looked different. I actually really liked how this one looked. It was a little snug, but not too snug to where like I'm uncomfortable with it. And I really like that the zipper was actually a working zipper and not just there for show. It was very soft material, which is another thing that I really liked. And it's just a perfect shirt to transition into fall. This next top, I don't know why I picked it up. I think the color just caught my attention because, fall is around the corner. But definitely, I would say it was not as cute as it looks on the hanger. I would say it looked much cuter on the hanger than when I tried it on. I just did not like how it looked. It was tied in the middle, which I untied to see how it was, like if it was super flowy, and it definitely was too flowy from the bottom. Like, I just didn't really like how it looked, so I tied it to the side. I still didn't like how it looked. Not a fan of that shirt at all. This next one, I love that it says beautiful up top and the crisscross detail on the chest area. Super cute. And as you can see, all of these tops are $9.99, which is super affordable. And then I love the detail from the top that has some writing on it. I'm not much of a red color wearer, but I would say this didn't look that bad. Now, on camera, it kind of looks a little more like orangey red, which personally I don't like. I would say maybe if it was a more like deep red, I would have liked it more, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Now this one I was so excited to try because I love off the shoulder tops, and this one, I mean, you can see it's super affordable. I love the color on it. But the thing is, it was short. For my body, it was too short. So if I pulled it down to be like right on, like off the shoulder, it was too short. And then if I pulled it up because it was too low, then it was too short at the bottom. So I don't know. It was a 3X and it wasn't too stretchy from the top where the off the shoulder part goes. Now this one, I had another issue. I really liked that it was black and it had more of a colorful floral pattern to it. But I was so shocked. This is a 2X actually, and it was huge. You guys can see right away it's so like big and baggy and too long, way too long. I do like my shirts to be, a little longer, but this one was a little way too long, which definitely didn't look good on me. I felt like I looked pregnant, and I don't know, I couldn't find a 1X, so it is what it is. Now this one, I like that it says chill vibes, the color, like the watercolor on it, the ladder detail on the top, but it was definitely too snug for me. As you can tell right here, it definitely is a shirt that is a little too tight for my liking. Maybe you guys, I mean, whoever likes this style of tops that you don't care if they're snug, I personally just don't like them too tight. Now this one, we're starting off in the yellows, and I know this is like a yellow overload. I wanted to show you guys the other colors first. So this one I actually really liked, and even though it looks flowy, the reason I like it is the split on the sides, which is what gives this shirt a little something extra. And if you just like to cover up your belly or lower than your belly, this one is very flowy because of the split, but it's not too like loose and everywhere like the other ones. Now this one, I thought it was a long sweater. I didn't notice it was a crop sweater until I was in the fitting room, but I said, what the heck, let me just try it on. I love the print and the color. And I mean, it's a cute sweater. It is cropped. I don't think I would personally wear it. I would like my crop sweaters to be a little bit more baggy. This one was a little snug from the arms, so it was definitely a no, but great way to start for fall. Oh my gosh, guys. I have been searching and hunting for the perfect yellow kimono, and I was so freaking excited that I thought I had found it, and it was only 15 bucks. I mean, look at it. The color, the print is beautiful. And then look at how it looks. It looks ridiculous. I was so salty. Like, why do they have to add that extra panel of lace? For what? It did nothing but make the kimono ugly. Like, they ruined it. The arms were perfect. The color, the length, it was perfect. And then they had to add those freaking patches of lace and make it so ugly. And it just looked dumb. I don't get why they ruined it like that, but whatever. Now this one is definitely more mustard and burgundy fall tones, which I'm so excited for. Only $9.99, and I actually really like this one and how it fits. It is a little snug, but not too crazy. It's super cute. I definitely love the colors and the cut, and it's just cute. Perfect to start, how do you say it? To start transitioning into fall. Definitely a cute one. Now, moving on to the last one. This one, I don't know why I tried it. Honestly, it just caught my attention because it was yellow. There was so much yellow clothing when I went to Burlington this day that I was just like overwhelmed. And I had been looking for yellow pieces for a while and nothing. And now like everything's yellow. But as you can see, this, I actually think it looks cute. I kind of liked it. Again, it has this working zipper, which I liked, and it was comfortable. It wasn't too tight. It was like a nice dressy shirt. I'm just showing you that if you lift your arms up, it will go up. Nothing too crazy, but it has stretch. It had give. It wasn't a stretchy shirt by any means, but like where it had the elastic, I liked it. I think it actually looked nice. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know where else you guys would like to see plus size inside the dressing rooms from. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.